Hi viewers, this is Vishnuvardhan sir, Maths faculty. I am going to teach about quadratic equation today. Okay, quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation topic, till now we discussed about the definition of the quadratic equations, how to check a quadratic equations. These two topics till now we covered. Now, where we apply in our real life situations, where we apply the quadratic equations in our real life. Example, when we fire up a rocket into sky, the length of the rocket can be calculated by using this quadratic equation. When throw a projectile, the distance covered by the stone can be calculated by the quadratic equation. The length of a eyeglasses can be calculated by the quadratic equations. When we are applying brakes to a vehicle, the stopping distance also can be calculated by the quadratic equation. Like this, these quadratic equations are useful in our real life situations. Okay, I will give you two examples. Raju and Rajender both are having 45 marbles together. Raju and Rajender both are having 45 marbles each other. Both of them lost 5 marbles, then the product of the marbles is equal to 128. Now what they have marbles previously? Question, listen once again. Raju and Rajender, I am writing here, Raju and Rajender have marbles is equal to, together have marbles 45. Okay, now let us check. Let Raju have marbles is equal to X. Let us assume Raju, both of them together having the marbles 45. Raju is having the marbles X, then Rajender have marbles is equal to 45 minus X. When we assume Raju have marbles X, then Rajender have the marbles 45 minus X. After losing 5 marbles each one, then Raju have marbles after losing 5 marbles is equal to X minus 5. Why? Because he is losing 5 marbles from X. So Raju having marbles after losing 5 marbles is equal to X minus 5. Next, Rajender have marbles after losing 5 marbles is equal to, here also we have to subtract 5 from the 45 minus X. 45 minus X minus 5 is equal to 40 minus X. Previously Raju have marbles X, Rajender have marbles 45 minus X. After losing 5 marbles from them, Raju have marbles after losing 5 marbles X minus 5. Rajender have marbles after losing 5 marbles is equal to 45 minus X. Again we have to subtract 5 from this, so that 45 minus 5 is equal to 40, minus X is equal to minus X here. So now Rajender have the marbles 40 minus X. The product of them is given is equal to X minus 5 into 40 minus X. But it is given in the question, after losing the 5 marbles, the product is equal to 128. But given that product is equal to 128. Therefore, product x minus 5, 40 minus x is equal to 128. Now this binomials, both of them should be multiplied. So x, first you have to multiply this whole expression, this binomial by x. So 40 minus x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 128. X into 40, 40x, x into minus x square, and minus 5 into 40, minus 200, minus 5 into minus x plus 5x is equal to 128. Now minus x square, 40x plus 5x, that is 45x minus 200. Bring the 128 to left side. Now it will become minus 128 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 45x minus 200 minus 128, that is minus 328 is equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation form. Like this, the problems can be simplified by using the quadratic equation. I will tell you how to solve this quadratic equation in the next topic. But now we learned how to frame the equation, how to frame the quadratic equation from this problem, from the given information. Solving I will tell you in the next topic. One more real life example I will tell you. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeters, and the difference of the other two sides is equal to 5. The difference of the other two sides is equal to 5. The length of the hypotenuse is equal to 25. Now we have to find out the length of the other two sides. Normally the right angle triangle will be like this. The length of the hypotenuse is given by 25 centimeters. The difference between the other two sides, so let us assume one side is equal to x. One side is equal to x, then the other side is equal to x plus 5. Given that hypotenuse is equal to 25. Now in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is always equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Once again I will explain you. The square of the hypotenuse is always equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, I will give you the names of the sides A, B, C. Then square of the hypotenuse, that is AC square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That means AB square plus BC square. Now hypotenuse length is given 25. 25 square is equal to AB square. Let us say that is x. Other one is x plus 5. So x square plus x plus 5 whole square. 25 square, that is equal to 625 x square. Now this x plus 5, we have to expand this term, x plus 5 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So again a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is in this form. So we have to explain the term by using the formula. So this is A, let us assume this is B. So first A square, so x square plus B square, 25, 5 square, 5 square means it is 25. Next 2AB, 2AB, 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 5, 10x. Okay, now send this 625 to the right side. Keep it like that only. X square plus x square, that is 2x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 625 is equal to 0. Now I am taking this 625 to the right side so that it is becoming minus 625. After this sent to the right side, here it will be 0. So I kept this 0 right side. Now 2x square plus 10x, 25 minus 625, that is equal to minus 600 is equal to 0. Now we reached the quadratic equation form. Like this, these problems can be solved by using the quadratic equation. Once we frame the quadratic equation, it can be solved by using two methods. One is final step, that is solution. This solution of a quadratic equation by two methods. We can solve the quadratic equation by two methods. One is factorization method. Second one is quadratic formula. Understand? One way we can solve the problem by using the factorization method. There are two steps. One is factorization method. Second one is by using the formula, quadratic equation formula. In these two ways we can solve the problem. Now let us discuss on how to solve a quadratic equation by using the factorization method. Okay.